doing well, and God bless all of you. And all of you.
We'll wait for another 5 to 10 minutes, then we'll start this webinar.
So today, I think today we had an webinar with Mohsin and Mr. Bhavesh, and we have covered up. In the last webinar, we have covered up what the Bucks community has done, the management has done, what is the roadmap of the company, and what product we have developed and everything. Today in this session, I'm going to cover up how the community of Bucks can buy MT4 packages. How can you going to link your MT4 packages with Moyo? What is the plan? What is the income? If anyone start working with this new plan, MT4 plan, how you can make a money out of it. And now I have a list of questions related to few issues between the community, and whatever the list I have, I will try to answer each and every questions one by one. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to share my screen. First, I will start with what is the income plan in a Moyo and the MT4. So just give me a minute, let me start. And the tree which we have designed and I'm going to explain you with the help of this tree how you can make money out of if you start working in MT4 today. So this is the income plan, what we have decided, what the management has now is going to give. So now we have a format. The first is the master IB, that is MIB. Second is the sub IB, SIB, and the third is client, right? So how this tree will work? So first of all, let's say if any one of you join the company, will consider as a client. For us, you are a client to the company. Let's say Mr. Porter has joined today, the company will consider him as a client. And if he sponsor someone from your team as a Moses, then he will become an agent for the company. That is SIB, that is sub IB, right? And whatever the business, like the first, so what will be the income for Mr. Okay, so let's say the moment he sponsor anyone, his first income will be the 20% of his Bucks coin, because when he will be sponsor anyone, he will only give 80% payment to the company. The rest 20% he will redeem against that package. It means is what? Let's say Mr. Porter is sponsoring Mr. Moses. So if Moses is buying the package of $200, so Mr. Porter will give $160 to the company, and the rest $40 worth of Bucks coin he will sell and make money out of it. His first level of income is a 20% coin, right? Now the second income what he will get, because Mr. Moses is sponsored by Mr. Porter, so whatever the trade, because Mr. Moses is going to follow someone account, XYZ account, so whatever the trade will get done by the traders in the Moses account, he will get a certain commission out of it. It means is what? Let's say XYZ, again, that commission will be count against the number of lots. Let's say Mr. Moses has followed some traders in Moyo, and because of that, the total number of trades get done in the Mr. Moses account is 20. So from his income will be 20 into 5, it comes to $100. So if Mr. Porter has referred Mrs. Moses in the system, whatever the trade will get done in the Mr. Moses account, so he will get the commission out of it, right? So this is the second. There's two kind of income. One is the 20% direct income, that is through sponsoring the coin, and the second is whatever the trade will get done in your in your downline, or the client you have referred or sponsored directly, you will get the commission out of it. So now you can see this tree. I'm going to help you. I'm going to explain you with the help of this tree. Let's say Mr. XYZ, the client is here. He's joined and he referred 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say here is the Mr. Moses. And he referred Mr. Anuj, Mr. Bhavesh, Mr. Moshin, Mr. Ganesh, Mr. Asif, right? So what he will earn? The first thing, because he direct referred Mr. Anuj, Mr. Bhavesh, Mr. Moshin, Mr. Ganesh, and the Mr. Asif. So his first income will be the 20% direct income he will earn from every. Just give me a minute. So I'll explain in a better way. So the first income will be, let's say Anuj has purchased the package of $1,000. Mr. Mohsin Bhavesh has purchased the package of $1,000. Mr. Mohsin $5,000. Mr. Ganesh $2,500, and Mr. Asif again $10,000. So the first income for the Mr. Moses will be 20% of his coin. Matlab against Anuj he will earn $2,000. Here he will earn $2,000. Here he will earn $1,000. In this case, here he will earn 125 20%, yeah, $125. Or here again he will earn $2,000, right? So total income in one shot is he will earn will be this much. It will be comes to near about $6,450. Now what next? The next is, let's say the total deposit. If you see the criteria to become a leader, because when you are joining the company, company will consider you as a client. When you start sponsoring people under you, you will become a sub IB, and the moment the total deposit will increase $25,000. If you look this point, that $25,000, then you will become a manager. Once you become the manager, your income will be increased from $5 to $9. Right? So what will be happening? Let's say Anuj following n number of traders. Mr. Bhavesh is also following n number of traders. Mr. Mohsin is also following n number of traders. Mr. Ganesh is also following n number of traders. Mr. Asif is also following n number of traders, because they all are following some XYZ traders, and the trade is keep happening in his account. So let's say, because Anuj is following someone, and the total of number lots get traded in the account is 30. In Bhavesh account, it's near about 50 because he's having a bigger account. In Mohsin's account, it's near about 50. Then in Ganesh account, again, some around, let's say 40. And Mr. Asif's in Master Asif's account is some around 50. So total number of trades will be 220. So income for Mr. Moses will be, earlier it was 220 into 5. It comes to 1,100, right? But now, because he fulfilled the criteria, the total deposit which that he has done, the total deposit the company which is received because whatever is working. So now he has total deposit we have received more than $25,000. So he will promoted as a manager. Now his income will be jumped from $5,000, sorry, $5 per lot to $9 per lot. So his income will be jumped from $1,100 to $1,980. So this is the way this entire tree will be work. So again, I'm going to repeat this thing so that you guys understand in a very simple and layman language. First thing, whenever any client or any Bitsolif users invest in MT4 package, company will consider them as a client. The moment they start sponsoring someone under his tree, they will count as a sub IB. And the moment they will fulfill this criteria 1, 2, 3, 4, he or she will be promoted as a master IB, and their income will be changed according to the scenario, according to it. So let's say the first criteria is the leader has to bring $25,000 deposit. So I have explained you what does it mean. The second criteria is leader has to introduce minimum one leader in his downline. It means is what? Let's say the total number of sponsored by you in under your tree is 5. The moment you become a master IB, it means out of this 5 member, you have to promote one down under your downline as a leader. It means, let's say Mr. Anuj is under your downline. The moment you get promoted to master IB, you have to make sure any of these people, any of your downline also supposed to get promoted as a leader. It means Anuj should also sponsor some client. It means whatever the client you are introducing under your tree and under your downline, you have to make sure he should also sponsor someone. So let's say Anuj is a leader. Now Anuj is earlier the client. Now you become a leader. Now Anuj become a sub IB. So Anuj will sponsor someone like A, B, C, and B, E, D. So as until Anuj will not sponsor any client under his tree, he will not become a leader. So that's you have to fulfill this criteria to become a manager. The third one, you will start earning $9 per trade from the direct clients. It means from these clients, whatever the client you will introduce in the system directly, you will start earning $9 instead of $5. And the fourth, he will give $4 to his downline and keep 5 on all traders done by. It means is what? Let's say your direct sponsor are 1, 2, 3, 4. So now your income is 9. So you will keep 5. And if Anuj is become a master sub IB for you, so whatever the client sponsored by Mr. Anuj, let's say Anuj is sponsor A, B, C, Anuj is sponsor B, E, D. So whatever the trade get done by these traders, whatever the trade it happen in ABC account and BED account, you will also get $4 out of it. So this is the way the entire tree will work. Now, if you see, we have in this tree, we have designed the 3-level income for everyone. How this tree will work? So now, let's say Mr. Moses become a master IB. Now Mr. Anuj is under his tree, Mr. Bhavesh is under his tree, Mr. Mohsin is under his tree, Mr. Ganesh is under his tree, and Mr. Asif is under his tree. Out of these 5, there are 2. Now this Anuj become a leader because Anuj is also working. Mr. Bhavesh become a leader because he's also sponsoring client and he's also working. So let's say Anuj is also a leader, Mr. Bhavesh is also a leader. They both are working under Moses tree. So now Anuj is also working and Anuj also get qualified as a MIB because he fulfilled the criteria, first criteria, the deposit under whatever the client he is sponsored and the total deposit he received equivalent to $25,000 or more than $25,000. So he also become promoted as a master IB. But in this scenario, Anuj will not get the benefit of $9. He will get only benefit of $8. Why $8? The reason behind it, because Anuj is the first level for Mr. Moses. So he will get only $8 because he is under the Mr. Moses. What that $1 he is not getting, where that $1 will go? The entire whatever the business will done by Mr. Anuj and his tree, the $1 business will go to Mr. Moses. Because Mr. Moses sponsored Anuj. Now Anuj also become a master IB on his first level. Anuj will get the total benefit of $8. Whatever the client he will sponsor, he will get $8 from his direct sponsors, and the $1 will be goes to Mr. Moses as an income. The second thing, let's say whatever the people sponsored by the Anuj, any of from his tree become a master IB, so he will be a second level for Mr. Moses and the first level for Mr. Anuj. But that guy will be again not receive the benefit of $9. He will receive the benefit of only $7 because why? This $2 will go to his upline, $1 to Mr. Anuj, and $1 to Mr. Moses. Again, the same thing. Whatever the direct sponsor is done by Anuj or Mr. Bhavesh or Mr. whatever, and they also become a master IB. So definitely on his third level, the total income will be comes to instead of $7, he will get only $6 because he is on the third level. His $3 will go to $1 will go to Mr. Bhavesh, $1 will go to Mr. Anuj, and $1 will go to the Mr. Moses. Now, after this, if anyone under your tree become a master IB, Mr. Moses will not get any benefit out of it, but definitely Mr. Bhavesh and Mr. Anuj will get it $1 because that guy is sitting here. He is a second level for Mr. Bhavesh and the third level for Mr. Anuj. So this is the way this entire tree will work. Once you join, you will be considered as a client. The moment you will sponsor someone, you will become a sub-IB. The moment you become a sub-IB, your income will be $5 from your sponsor, for whom you get sponsor. The moment you fulfill this criteria, the 1, 2, 3, 4, the first is deposit $25,000. The second is one leader under your tree. So your income will be increased from $5 to $9. And you whatever the client is sponsored by you will start getting $9. Whatever the client introduced by any of your sub-IB, you will start getting $4 from them. Again, if any of your tree member become a master IB, he will get the benefit of $8. Out of $8, he will distribute $5 to his direct sponsor. $1 will goes to his upline. If anyone become a master IV under his tree, then he will get the benefit of $7. $2 will go to his upline, $1 to level 1 and $1 to here. And the same, if anyone become a master IV under his tree, he will get the benefit of $6 and the total $3 business will go up. So this is the way this entire tree will work, and the commission structure what we have designed, those who will work under this new structure. Now, if you have any questions and concern, we'll discuss after this. Now I'm going to take you through the journey, how you can introduce an ID into the system, how you can check your income in the BitSolips, and how you can put the withdrawals. So give me a moment so that I can share my screen with you all. Okay, so you can see this is the dashboard of BitSolip 0.20. So in this, first of all, now we have a separate tree for everyone, that is MetaTraders 4. So now you no need to go anywhere. If you are working for Moyo, and if you have decided to work for new plan, that is MT4 plan or Moyo plan, then directly to placing the new IDs, you have to come to MT4 users. Sorry, in MetaTraders 4, we have this much of options what we have designed for our new users. The first of all, the first option, if you see, is the account detail. The account details, it means if you see, whenever you place an ID and whenever you create an ID, your account details will come here. That live account details will, once the admin will approve your account, MT4 account, the details will come under the account details, the live account, this account. And the second is the demo account. If you are creating a demo account, once the demo account will get approved by the admin, you will get your demo account details over here. Now, if the third option is what we have, some manager account. Manager account is all about the moment you get promoted as a manager, you will get a manager account over here, tab. In this manager account, you can see, you can track your income. So here we have a trade info in which how many clients is under you, how many users you have sponsored, what trade they have done, all the details will come here. How much commissions you're supposed to get from, let's say I have to check what commission I have generated against this, what commission I'm getting against this ID, you can check, and you can trace your income here by clicking any of these IDs and users. So this is the way we have designed this dashboard where a user or a manager or a sub IB can get his account details. Second option is a MT4 withdrawal. If you go to the MT4 withdrawal, this is all about whatever the commissions you have, what are the profits you have in your MT4 account, you can go and place the withdrawal as well. Here we have an option as add withdrawals. In add withdrawals, you need to place the amount Then if you want withdrawal in the form of BTC, you can place the BTC ID and the comment. Let's say withdrawal and whatever the XYZ comments you want to put, you can put and you can send the request. And definitely here, this time we are committing up whatever the withdrawal you will place within next max to max 48 hours to 78 hours, the company will release the withdrawal this time. Now we have a shop. I'll come later because it's a different concept. So let's go to the another features, that is we have one feature is MT4 users. So this is the main features. Let's say in these features, if we have a two option, MT4 clients and MT4 agents, right? So if the moment you join, now you want to sponsor someone, the first of all, you will introduce anyone as a client. So you have to click on my clients, then new joining. In this, before you go for new joining, you have to make sure you should have enough Buckscoin into your wallet, Buckscoin wallet, tradable wallet, and also the E points. Because if you have enough if you have enough E points or BTC, but if you don't have a Buckscoin, you cannot place the ID. Same vice versa. If you have a Buckscoin, but if you don't have E points or Bitsolif, or Bitcoin, you cannot buy this. You cannot buy the packages from here. So make sure when you are going to sponsor someone, because this form is especially for 80-20 scheme. So if you are introducing someone, if you are sponsoring someone, you have to make sure you should have enough Buckscoin and E points into your wallet. So once it's done, then you have to place the name. And then you have to select the package. Here, this time we have n number of packages. You see, we have a package from $200 to $1 lakh. It's 200, 500, 1,000 to 5,000. So let's say you select $200 pack, and then you have to select the payment mode, E points or BTC. This time the system will debit. We have set the parameters. System is totally automated. When if you are going to buy a 200 pack, system will deduct 160 E points and Buckscoin worth of $40 from your wallet. You no need to separately select the E wallets or E point wallets and the Bucks wallet. System is totally automated this time. It will be work. If you select the package 200 pack, $160 will be debited from your E points wallet, and the Buckscoin worth of $40 will be get debited from your Bucks wallet. And once it's get done, then here you have to put ID A, B, C, D, Joe, whatever, and you have to accept the terms and conditions. You have to accept the risk warning, and then the moment say join. The moment you will go here, you can see you'll get the list of a coin. So here you can see the moment I say join, you will get a package over here. Here you will get account details. Here you will get details of your client, and the admin will get the notification that someone from the Bitso team has applied for the MT-ID and they have purchased the XYZ package in the backend. So once the admin will approve, here you will get the status as active. After this, once if you've done this exercise, what you need to do, you have to go to your tree and you have to check that. So once you've done this exercise, you will get your tree. So you can see if you are a manager, you will be here. If any of your sponsor is, let's say this green color is they all are clients. If anyone start sponsoring someone, they will become an agent. If I click on it, you can see he has sponsored 2 clients under his downline. So that's the reason they become an agent. As until they will not sponsor anyone, they will count as a client. If you see, is a single, because that's the reason he's into the green color. It's just count company, and the system will count them as a client because they have not sponsored anyone. The moment he will sponsor anyone under his tree and from under any sponsor anyone under his ID, they will become a agent like this. Again, I'm going to tell you, and the system will auto change his green color to orange color, and they will become an agent. So you can see here 2 clients are there. So this is the way the system will work. System is fully audited this time. You no need to think, you no need to do anything. Let's say now again the shop option. Shop option is basically for, let's say today, if any of your client has joined the system with $200 or a $500, but later on they want to upgrade his package, they want to increase the amount, so they will come to shop and upgrade the package from here. So they will buy the another package. Let's say I have a 200 pack. Now I want to buy $10,000 pack. So I will go to shop and buy directly from here. So here you can see, you just need to select the package. No need to fill the payment mode, BTC or ePoints. And here you just need to put the security password, because you are buying this package from your ID as well. System will automatically count from which account you are going to upgrade it, and your account will upgrade it from $200 pack to $10,000 pack or $50,000 pack or $1 lakh pack according to your request. So this is all about the new packages. Once the moment you've done all this exercise, then what you need to do, you have to open an account on a moyotrade.com, and you have to link your account with a moyo.com, so that you can follow any trader and take the maximum benefit. So how it will get executed, I'm going to take you to the journey. So just a minute. You can see this is the Moyo, this is the Moyo platform. That's web. The URL is www.moyotrade.com. The moment you have done all your exercise, you complete. Once you get your MT4 ID, once you get all your MT4 details in the Bitsoli point 2, then you have to come to the Moyo, and you have to register your Moyo account. To register a Moyo account, you have to go to sign up. Under sign up, then first name, last name, any alliance name, like anything, like if I, let's say Anu01, then display name. Here you have an option, because a social trading platform, you want to see your account with your real name or with some the name you are selecting as a alliance name. That's you have totally this your rights. Then email ID, then your password. Then you need to confirm the password. Your mobile number, your country, then account type. Now, by filling this form, you have to be very careful, because you have already opened a MT4 account and you are coming to the Moyo because you want someone, you are going to follow someone. So here you have to select a real account instead of demo account, because if you open a demo account, you cannot link, your system will not allow you to link your MT4 account with any demo account. So make sure here you have to select this option as a real account, and then here we have an option as an investor and a trader. If you're coming as an investor, you can join as an investor. If any one of you coming as a trader, they can come as a trader. And then leverage, you have to select as 1:200. The leverage, I'm going to tell you about the leverage. Those who are buying the package from $200 pack to $1,000, they have to select the leverage at 1:200. Those who are buying the package above $1,000, they have to select the leverage as 1:100. Right? So this is the way the things will work. So now after this, we need to go to create an account. Once you create an account, you will get a link on your email, registered email on the Moyo. As until will not verify that link, you will not get a live account from the system. So Once your account get live, then you need to go and log in your Moyo account. Once you log in, because I have already account, so this is a different part, ignore this. First, what you need to do, you have to go here. You can see this profile option. You need to go to the profile option. You have to click on it. Here you will get an option, open investor account. Again, I'm repeating this. Those who have registered themselves as an investor, they have to go and choose the option open investor account. You have to click on it. Then you will get a 4 option. One is a real account, one is a demo account, one is a live MT4 account, and one is a demo account. I'm going to explain you all this account. What does it mean? Real account means those who don't have MT4 account, they directly open an account on MT4. They have to select the real account, and those who have opened a directly demo account on the Moyo, they will link their demo account with Moyo account. Secondly, because all Bitso users having MT4 account, so they will go for live MT4 account. And you will click on this option, you will get this form. Here you have to put your alias name. Then you need to select your broker. Then what you need to do, you have to select the server as a Cash Phoenix Live, then MT4 ID. To select the MT4 ID, I'm going to tell you. You need to go to your Bitsolive account. Here in account details, you have your options. From live account, you'll be copy this account ID and the same password. Again, I'm repeating it. Make sure when you're going to copy, the ID and the password will be the same, whatever you have in the Bitsolive. Because if there is a mismatch in the password, your account will not get linked with the Moyo. So make sure when you copy this, the ID and the password supposed to be copied from here only, and it should be the same. So you'll copy both things from here, and then you will go to just a minute. Here you will write down your, let's say, whatever the ID it was there, 6-digit ID and the password, and you will link your account. Once you link your account, admin will get the notification in the backend that someone wants to link his MT4 account with the Moyo account. Admin will verify all the details. If all the details will be correct, then we will approve your account. Once your account get approved from the admin side, you will get a tag here like, let's see, LA114, something like that, and investor MT4 account. You will need to go into that account. Then again on the dashboard. So whatever the balance you have in an MT4 account, you can check this. It will be appear like this. If you see, this is your dashboard, and it will appear like this. Here your Moyo ID with a symbol of MT4 account. Then whatever the balance you have in your MT4 account, it will get reflected here. Your equity, your balance, your margin, and if you margin, everything, because this account, your MT4 account is linked with the Moyo. So whatever the balance and equity and the free margin you having in your MT4 account, same details will reflect on the dashboard, on the Moyo dashboard as well. Now, if you see here is what here, let's say I'm being as an investor. If I am following some traders, I will get all the list to whom I am following. He will get all the trader list over here. It means, let's say I am following Sena, I am following Mr. Rahat, I am following investor 004. So here you will get the detail by what amount we are following any trader, what are the ROI till date you are getting from your investor or from your trader. All the details will be come here in the sort details. Then manual, we have one more option, that is the manual. Manual means is what? If you are not following anyone, if you are doing any trade at your own, so that trade will be counted as a manual trade. It means you are doing at your own, that trade is your totally a manual trade. Again on the dashboard, if you see, we have this specific space, And here we are, the company is going to give you the detail. Here what detail you will get? You'll get your detail equity details, means the day you have joined this system, this platform, what equity you had, and now what is the graph of your equity, like increase and downwards, everything will be reflect here in the form of a graph. Same thing, the second option, if you want to see your only P&L, profit and loss, also from the date of your joining to till date, whatever the profit and loss graph will be get appear here. Then we have a next option is called trade. If you go to this option under your trade, this is for if you are doing if you want to do trade at your own, then this option is basically for you. You can, because today Sunday the market is not working, here we have a buy sell one click trade. You can buy here, from you can sell here, everything is here. You can, whatever you want to do, you can do from here. Also, if you have an MT4 account, you can open a trade, because MT4 is a more advanced platform compared to this Moyo, because we have just simply given the options to trade. Otherwise, I will advise you, if you have an MT4 account, you will do the trade from the MT4, because whatever trade you will do on MT4, that all trade will get copied on Moyo as well, because your MT4 account and the Moyo account is linked to each other. Now the next option is the position options. The position option is basically about, it's the detail of everything. Let's say whatever the trade you will, whatever the open positions by you, and whatever the open positions in your account by any of the traders. Because let's say I'm following Mr. Moses, I'm following Mr. Rahat, I'm following Mr. XYZ, and whatever the trade is in my account, because of whatever trade is in my account, it will all the trade will get reflected here. So you can see what profit you are getting, what loss you are having in your position, and the right is with you. Let's say here, if you have a positions, you are an investor, you can see your position, and if you think, let's say I'm following Mr. Mohsin has opened one trade, and because I'm following him and I'm getting a good profit, because I'm a small trader and I have just invested $200, but in that particular trade, here I can see I'm getting a profit of $40. It means it's what, almost 20% in a single trade. But Mohsin having some bigger expectations from that particular trade, he's not ready to close it because he have his own decision, because he is a trader. But being as an investor, you have a right to book that profit. You come here, you will directly go to your position and you can close that position and you can book your profit. Because if I don't think so, because for me 20% in a single trade is a big profit for me. I'm allowed to close my position from my side. There is no restrictions for the users. As until trader will not close the trade, he cannot close the trade. Same vice versa. Let's say if Mohsin has opened any trade and that trade is going in the negative, and I realize, because I have a small amount and I think I'm losing $10, $20 in one shot, and that is a big loss to me. I no need to wait. If Mohsin will close the trade, I can go and book my loss. It's totally up to me. So all the rights we have given to the investor, so that he will be at a safer side. Now the next option is people, and this is the beauty of this platform. Here you will get the list of all the traders. If you check, these all other traders as of now, they have registered on the Moyo platform and they are doing the trade. So let's say if I'm a new people, how to select the traders. So what we have done, we have given an option for any users to come compare the traders, and then they select the then select the trader. So how you can compare your traders and how can you search traders over here? If you know someone, you can directly follow him. You can search by name, trader name in this search. Let's say I know Mohsin, I will go and search non-forex, and here non-stock forex, and I'll go and select directly Mohsin as a trader. But I'm confused. I'm a new people into this platform. I don't know to whom to select, how to select. So what I will do, first I will go here to any trader's profile. I will go to the trader segment, compare. And what I'll do, I'll add all the traders. Let's say because the ranks are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the moment I say, I'll get a compare sheet of it, of these traders. So you can see investor 17 is a trader, Rahat04 is a trader, R Sena is a trader, and Chetan Patil is a trader. Amount following means I'm, or whatever the users, n number of users following by XYZ amount. So total amount is following him is $1,700. For Mr. Rahat is $1,200. Mr. R Sena is near about $12,216. Then you can see Chetan Patil is $400. Now the profit till date, the last month's profit, whatever the profit he has given to his followers is in minus $0.32 cents, you can say. And Mr. Rahat again the 0, Mr. 0 and the 0. Number of weeks, he is on this platform from 19 weeks. He is on this platform from 16 weeks. He is on this platform from 4 weeks, and Mr. Chetan Patil is here from 28 weeks. So number of investors, you can see 14 people are following to investor 17, 5 people are following to Mr. Rahat, 12 people are following to Mr. Sena, and 12 people are following to Mr. Chetan Patil. Again, the total number of ROI, you can see what ROI they have given to their users and the followers. You can see till date, the ROI he has given to his followers is 149.33%. He has given 100.71%. He has given 189.97%, and he has given minus 206.5%. So this is the way. All the criteria are here. You can go through everyone profiles, and then you can come to the conclusion to whom you should follow. On the basis of your comparison, you can select your traders over here, and then let's say I want to follow someone. So let's say I find Nonstop FX is a good trader for me because he has till date he has given, let's say Ryan is a good trader for me. He's at number 7 and he has given the ROI 748%, and whatever is on my analysis, and I realize let's follow him. So I'll go to the follow. Now we have given a choice to our investor. Let's say if I have to follow someone, at what parameters my trades should get followed to my traders. So we have two options. First is a follow mode. We have a two option. One is a fix and one is a pro rata. Fix means, let's say if, because FX we have a 3 types of trade. One is a standard lot, and one we have a mini lot, and we have a micro lot. So everybody know in FX, those who know the FX, they know the very well what is the importance of lot size. So standard lot having almost of 1 lakh of the quantity, then mini lots having 10,000 of the quantity, and then the micro lot having almost 1,000 quantity. So this matters a lot. So if I have a smaller amount, definitely I will go with a smaller lot size. So I will allow, let's say my trader, whatever traders let him do, but my account should get credit with only 0.1 lot against all his trade. Second thing, if pro rata is basically for a bigger traders, because it is all about the margin. Let's say my trader is opening any trade with a higher margin. Let's say he's doing a trade of $1 lakh. So I will allow to copy only 10% of his margin amount. So here I will say 10%. If I have a smaller amount, then I'll go for 1%, 2%, all those. It's totally up to me how I want to follow my trader. So initially, I will advise to everyone go with a fix. And if you have a smaller amount, $200 account, $500 pack of amount, $1,000 pack of amount, for 200 go with 0.01 or max to max 0.02. For 500, maximum 0.3 and max 0.3 to 0.4. For $1,000, go for 0.5, something like that. Right here is an n number of limit, and limit means is what? Let's say your trader is doing a n number of trades in a day. It means if he is doing 100 trades in a day, if he is doing 100 trades in a day, but if you have only smaller amount, so because you know that even if this is very impossible for you to follow all the 100 trades, so you will select the number of trades because you know your account is a smaller account, so you will say, okay, I will follow only 11 lots per day from my one trader, from this trader, because you know he's doing, because you have gone through his profile, and the average trade in a day he do is near about 100 and 120. So you will say, okay, my system, my account will follow only first 11 trade or 12 trade in a day. If you have a bigger amount, you can select no limit, and you can go with a no limit. And here is amount, investment amount. What we have done in this segment, being as a user, or sorry, being as an investor, I have a choice to follow the traders. Let's say I have $1,000. I can distribute this $1,000 between the 5 traders. It means I am diversifying my risk. This is one of the best feature in this platform, because if I have $1,000, if I'm copying n number of traders, what will be happen? Somehow I am diversifying my risk, because if I'm giving only 200 to Mr. Mohsin, 200 to Mr. Bhavesh, 200 to Mr. Ganesh, 200 to Mr. Asif, by doing this exercise, somehow I am diversifying my risk, and by doing this exercise, I can get maximum benefit out of it. So let's say, sorry. So here you can see I have select this 0.01 done, and I have given him $300 and sorry, and then I say follow, and my system start following him. So tomorrow onwards, whatever the trade will be done by the Mr. Mohsin, same trade with the ratio of 0.01 lot size will get open in my account, and I can see that all the position in my position segment. I can go and see whatever the trade is done by Mr. Mohsin in his account, all the things will come here and appear in my position. So this is the way you can follow your trader. And then the next option is history. History is all about whatever the activities will get done in your account in terms of trade. Everything will be copied here. You can check on day basis, week basis, month basis, 3-month basis, 6-month basis, 1 year, and all. Also, we have an option. Let's say if you have a demo account, you can check your demo account history over here. If you have a real Moyo account, you can check your history, a real account history over here. If you have an MT4 account, you can check your history, MT4 account history over here. The next option is account. Account is all about your personal information, your name, your ID, everything will be, you can see over here. Then your public profile, you can see. Then if you want to change your password, you can change it from here as well. Then we have an option deposit and withdrawal. As of now, it's not working, but we are coming with a new platform that is called Moyo 2, where let's say the company has already committed in coming future. If anybody wants to come on Moyo, the main mode of payment for the Moyo will be the Bucks coin. So definitely those who want to deposit the Bucks coin and get the account on the Moyo and take the advantage of the Moyo, they have to buy the Moyo from these exchanges where the Bucks coin is listed. So P2P exchange, X-Rates, and the LAR token. So you directly, we are going to be linked up here. So you will click here, you will go to the exchange, you can buy the coin, you can put over here exchange, and you can deposit over here. Either you go to X-Rates, sorry. Just a minute. Okay. So now the next option is setting. In setting, you can see the list of traders you are following. You can see I'm following non-stop FX. Just I have selected. I can see I'm following Mr. Sinha, I'm following Mr. Rahat, I'm following Mr. Investor, I'm following Mr. Sally 2020. What is, how this is going to benefit you? Unless I'm going to tell you. Let's say here you can get the details. You are following him with how many number of lots and what lots, everything, all details will get it here. What you can do, let's say I realize Mr. Non-stop FX is doing good for me, right? He's doing very good for me and he's doing good trade and I'm getting good profit out of him. So here I can go and increase the lot size. Let's say I'm following any 2 lots, 3 lots. I will say, okay, let's now follow 25 lots. Let's say Mr. Rena is not doing good for me. Here I'm following 29. So I'll say, okay, let's follow only 4 lots. So I can do the changes in this platform. I can go here. I can do it. If I don't want, I want to stop him. I don't want more trade in my account. I can go and stop his trade as well by clicking on this. You can block him. You can open his trade anywhere. It's totally up to you. If you don't like, let's say I don't like Mr. Investor, I'm not happy with this trader, you can select him and you can remove from here. So you remove from here as well. The trader will not comes to you and ask you why you have removed me, anything. Just you simply cut all your positions and remove him from your positions. Totally up to you. Now, the next options what we have is the invite. Invite is all about, if you like this platform, if you want to invite your friend, you just need to write down your email ID of your friend. What is your experience with this platform, you can write it over here. This Moyo is a good platform, whatever XYZ, and you can submit, and by doing this exercise you can invite or you can refer client from here direct as well. So this is all about Moyo. So how you can link your MT4 account here, how you can follow the traders, how you can unfollow the traders, how you can compare your traders, how you can whatever the profit will get it here, you can directly go to your Metaphor accounts as well, and you can give the withdrawal from the MT4. What I have only from the MT4 withdrawals. If you're getting my screen again, I'll show you again. So let's say if I have a profit in my Moyo, I can come over here and I can give withdrawal from here as well. So this is the entire system, how you can open an account, how you can register in BitSolid 2, then how you can get an MT4 account, then how you can link your then how you can open a account in Moyo, then how you can link your MT4 account with Moyo account, then how you can follow a trader, and whatever the benefits or trades profit you will get, how you can withdraw. This is the entire system we have designed for our users. Under tree, I have also show you what is how this tree will work. Who is manager, who is client, who is agent, what is the benefit for if you become a manager, what benefit you will get, being as a client, what benefit you will get, being as a agent, what you will get. One more thing which I'm going to tell you about the income part from the Moyo. These are questions which I have from the team. Let's say if you are a trader and someone is following you, and if you are in profit, close the trade. So trader will get the 50% of your trade, right? Trade profit, 10% will go to the Moyo and the 40% go to the investors. Because the main work and the hard work is doing by the trader, so he is going to get rewarded by 50% of your trade profit. Because we are the company, we are giving the service, being as a service, company is taking 10% of the investors' profit, and the rest 40% profit is giving to we are sharing with the investors. So this is the entire system what we have designed, and apart from this, if you have any questions, I'm going to unmute you all now. So you can unmute from your end, then you can ask me the question. And I think if we have Bhavesh sir with us, let me check.
Yes, Anuj, I'm here.
Yeah, sir. So this is I'm done in the terms of system, functionality of Bitso and the Moyo. And if anybody having any question, any concern, so please ask me so that me and Bhavesh will try to give you the satisfactory answer about your queries.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, please come one by one so that we can understand and can give you the response on it.
Hello.
Yeah.
I have come in late.
There's lots of noise. I will request you all, please come one by one.
Hello, everybody. This is Bhavesh here. Please ask a question, but we request everyone to, come one by one because there are a lot of background noise is also there. So not everybody will be able to hear you. And I know Anuj explained to you everything in detail, but it's very tough to, understand everything in one day. So we will also try to do multiple, small webinar with the team and take separate topic. Okay. So in one day, like I said, it's to digest the whole system, the whole process is bit difficult, and it can be very confusing also. So as a company, we did a webinar yesterday. MJ was there. He explained, where the company is going and what we are planning to do and how we will make this very successful. Okay. So this time around, all we are requesting from the leaders that you don't need to fill criteria of 25,000. Start with the small. See what is happening. Create your own journey. Create your own, successful story. So the way you can do that is sponsor 2 or 3 people with $200. Sponsor 2 or 3 people with $1,000, and 2 or 3 people with $500. That is all. You don't need to go beyond the $1,000 right now. Okay. So once you have 4 or 5 people underneath you, and then start calculating how you are getting the commission, what profit your investors are getting through Moyo and MT4. Okay. And so that will be your success story. And then you can take that and present to others. So I know Anuj explained to you everything. I will just also tell you a brief thing. Here, if let's say you achieve 25,000, okay, after 25,000, you would not have to do anything. Because in the Moyo and MT4, the beauty about this is you get the benefit on a daily basis. You don't need to wait weeks and months to get the, the commissions and the profit. You get this on daily basis. So when Anuj shows you the calculation that if you have someone with a 10,000 or 1,000 or 2,500 or 5,000, and if they are doing 40 lots a day, 30 lots a day, 50 lots a day, it's a that income that he showed you, that income was per day income. And this income is not coming from the company. It's not coming from us. Okay. This income comes from the LP. So LP is the liquid provider. So who are these liquid provider? They are these multinational banks. Okay. And this commission and everything comes from them. So, and what company does, company only takes the 10%. So that's the only benefit that company has. Raised, it comes from the LP. On the profit and loss sharing, that also comes from the LP. It does not come from Bitso Lives, does not come from Moyo. It comes from the LP that company has signed the contract with. Okay, so let's say you have a $200, $500, and $1,000 client underneath you, total of 6 clients. And if it's $200 investor, that investor cannot go in a standard lot. In order for the investor to get a standard lot, the minimum investment has to be $1,000. Okay, so when we were saying $5 and $9, that $5 and $9 is for the standard lot. Mini lot is a little bit less. Micro lot is a little bit less than mini lot. Okay, so I'll just give you a brief explanation. That if you have a 6 client underneath you, and some have 200, 500, and 1,000, and they all are following multi traders. Okay, and combined 6 clients, there are total 100 trades per day. Okay, combined 6 clients, there are total of 100 trades per day. So average, each investor is getting 18 to 20 trades per day. And let's say you are making average from them, from each investor, you are making an average, because if it's standard lot, then it's a $5 or $9. Okay, but not every single trade can be a standard lot, because it depends upon the fund also. So let's say the average, it's about $1.50 or $2. Okay, whether it's standard, micro, mini, all that combined, it's $2 instead of $5. It's just a $2. Okay, and if they are doing 200 trades, so 200 trade times 2, that's a $400. So that is the minimum $400 to $200 to $400. Let's say conservative thinking. Okay, so $200 to $400 you can earn from your only what investment of you have a 2 client of 1,000, 2 client of 500, 2 client of 200. Okay, so that is what $3,400 investment that you have, and minimum you can earn is anywhere from $200 to $400. Okay, so multiply that by 10. If it's 200, that's $2,000 in first 10 days. Another 10 days, another 2,000. So average you can earn a month just from $3,400 investment. Okay, you can earn anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000. Again, conservative thinking. Okay, if those investors start, building up their portfolio, then yes, bigger the portfolio, the more the standard lot, more commission for the leaders. Okay, so basically, what I just showed you a scenario of 3,000 or 4,000 investment, and I also showed you what profit ratio we can earn from this. Okay, and other things, as I explained to you, it's very difficult for us to go through the whole process in one day and understand the entire thing. So what we will do, we will also do a small session also, so each of you can understand each and every process, rather than us walking you through entire process in one day. Okay, in one session. So we will also do a small session where we will pick an individual topic. Okay, so Anuj, open up the forum. I think some of them have a few questions. Moses has also sent me a Q&A, so we will go through, and after that, and if someone has more question, we will happy to answer. Anuj, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, are you there, Anuj?
So I'm going to attend what are the list of questions shared by Mr. Moses. So I'm going to attend one by one. Okay. The first question he has asked us: what is the fate of old MT4's account had a
That had a contract period
of 1 year and have expired or about to expire. Okay. So see, whatever the earlier MT4 you guys has bought to us, let us check. If you have a balance, then definitely that is not expired. But yeah, for this MT4 new Moyo platform, you cannot use that ideas. You cannot use that amount for now. But definitely in coming days, company is working on it, how you can settle this amount, and we let you know within a period of 3 to 4 months how this amount will get settled with you guys. Bhavesh sir, anything you want to add into this?
Yeah. Also, if we will settle that definitely, but if you guys have, what you can do is give a list of your old MT4 account and whatever the amount that you have on the old MT4 account, whether it's a $50, $100, 200, doesn't matter. Give that list to Moses and Moses will forward it to me. Okay. And we will start settling those amount also to you. Let's say if you want to open up a $200 account and you have a $50 in your old account, we will give you a credit of that $50 and onto the new Moyo account. Okay. This we will do. We will probably not even take 3 to 4 months. We will do it in a very short period of time.
Okay. The next question: does $50 fee activation apply to both fund management package and MT4 package? Moses, no, because fund management package is a different plan and MT4 package is a different plan. So if you want to work into a fund management plan, then you need to activate your ID with $50 fee. For MT4, you no need to. And then the third question: how does one link up MT4 account to a Moyo account? Already I have explained you. First, you have to open an BitSolips. Once you get your account and ID and the password, then you have to create a new ID on the Moyo. On the Moyo side, we have an option. Go to a profile. In profile, we have an option: open an investor account. In investor account, we have 4 options. Select open investor account, and then you have to just provide all the details and your account will get linked. Now the fourth question: what is the criteria in depth of selecting Moyo traders? Already explained. Once you get your Moyo account, go to the people. In people, you'll get the list of your traders and you can check, you can compare the trader list, and on the basis of your choice, you can select anyone. Then how does one follow multiple traders on Moyo? Already explained. If you have a $1,000 account, you can select the amount. You can allocate your amount in parts, like 200 to the account trader A, 200 to trader B, 200 to trader C, and same 3 and 4. So you have a right. It's totally up to you to whom you want to give how much amount to follow. It's totally your choice.
I would like to add one more thing here. While you are following a trader, okay, and any given second, minute, day, Anuj did explain this to you. And if you feel that you made a mistake, this trader is not the right trader for you, so right away you can unfollow that, and whatever the fund that you have invested with that trader, you can divert that fund with the trader that you are having confidence in, right? So when you diversify your fund, what Anuj said, you have $1,000 and you are doing 200 between 5 traders, okay, because you don't know none of them, right? And even you do study them and everything, but out of 5 traders, you only want to keep 2 or 3 traders, you can do that at any given time. Okay. And you can divert your fund to remaining 2 traders. You can do that too. So that's the very beauty about this platform.
Okay.
The entire control, investor have, trader doesn't have anything. So what this does, this pushes trader to trade, execute each and every trade in a profit. Because if I'm a trader and I have 10 people following me, okay, then it becomes my obligation to make sure all my trade that I do, it's in a positive. Because if I start losing a money, the 10 investor that is following me, they will leave me and they will go somewhere else. So this builds up the pressure on a trader. So because of this, what happens, the trader will make sure that every single lot that they select and execute, it's in a profit. Yes, we are not a god, so not each and every can be in a profit, but even 70-80% that trade is in positive, we all can make tons of money. Okay, so this builds up the pressure onto a investor, I mean the trader, not onto the investors, because investor is free to go wherever they feel like. Okay, so on the Moyo, that's the beauty, that every single investor have the control, and the trader have to make sure that they do a profit, otherwise they will start losing their investor, and if they lose their investor, then traders not going to make any profit, right? Go ahead, Anuj.
Okay, the next question is from explain more on profit sharing distribution on Moyo. Already explained. If you're following some trader, so whatever the trade profit will generate by the trader will take 50% of it. 10% goes to company as a service fee, and the 40% will given to the investor.
So even this 40%, sounds like, okay, wow, we are only getting 40%. And that is the reason I told you that start with 200, 500, and 1,000. Okay. And see what they are earning against that $200, what they are earning against at 500 and 1,000. And then, individual will realize that, yes, even the 40% is still a big amount that they are, receiving.
Okay, the next question. Does Moyo Plus as a broker have a commission compensation plan to clients who bring the business? Of course, already explained you. How, like, if you are a client, if you are a sub IB, how much you will get it? If you are a master IB, how you will get it? This is a 3-level plan, and how this level income will be distributed, that's already explained. If you have any concern, we can do a next webinar only for the plan and the income, only for the plan, and only on the on that webinar we'll only explain you the compensation plan. So how it will work, we'll make it more simpler and try to make you understand if you want.
There is a question, do the trader I follow put stop loss and TP?
Sorry?
Do the trader I follow put stop loss?
No.
And TP?
Definitely not, because see, the traders open a trade. So those who open the trade having the right to put the stop loss. Because you are following someone, you cannot put the stop loss, but definitely you have a right to close your trade, open trade, which I have explained you. Let's say if you are following me, I have opened a trade, so I have a right to put the stop loss. You are not allowed to put a stop loss, right? So what you can do, if you're not happy with the trade, profit and loss, you can go to your open position and you can close your trade from your side. That's it. Then the next question is, explained in detail the terms and conditions and the compensation of paying for packages using 20% box fine as a discount for the traders. Okay, look, only leaders will allowed to take to avail this 80-20 scheme. If I'm sponsoring someone, so the coins will be debited from my account, and client will give me 100% payment, but I will give only 80% payment to the company. 80-20 scheme only, this is only for the leaders, not for any clients. If I am coming on this platform as a client, I have to pay 100% payment. But if someone is sponsoring me, definitely, if let's say I am a client, if I am directly coming on the platform, I have to pay $200 for 200 pack. But let's say Mr. Bhavesh is sponsoring me, he having a Bucks coin, I will give him $200. He will pay $160 to the company, and the rest 40% coin, sorry, worth of $40 coin will be get debited from his Bucks wallet. So this is the entire, this is the way, this is the system what we have designed. Basically, we have designed this system to get benefit to our leaders, not to the clients. Because see, if you are joining as a client, we are giving you the platform, Moyo platform, social trading platform, where you will come and you follow the trade without any tension, without any extra effort. You have just need to follow a trade and you will make a money out of there. So you have a platform where you will make a money. So if someone is sponsoring you, someone's doing hard work to get you on the platform, so traders are allowed to redeem their coins in this particular platform. The next question, many MT4 accounts of investment below during the upgradation process. Some members, some months back, was company aware of this, and if so, what is the way to forward it? Actually, very true. I'm not aware of this, but if you have any concern regarding this, just message me on my personal ops. I will check it out. What is the status of that account? And we'll come back to you. That account is active or inactive, and we'll update you the status on it. And then the next question is, does the company Bhavesh sir?
Yeah, I'm trying to read that too. Does the company wants to open up
Regional office center? Okay. Does the company wants to open regional office center, like for effective communication to address growth and needs to different market, for instance Africa? So
well, in the future, we will be selecting a region. Yes, definitely. Because MT4, it's a very big platform, right? It's a $6.6 trillion a day trading platform. Entire world, it's somewhere part of this, and that's the reason it's $6.6 trillion per day, market. So yes, as company grows, we will be having a region office in each and every territory. Where we will have this office, not decided. Depends upon how much business is generated from that one region. If it's enough business is generated from there, definitely we will have a support office there. Yes.
Okay. So now the next question. Let's just a minute. Many people can't access their Bitsolve accounts. There shows technical error, and help desk is not addressing many issues.
Okay, Moses, again, collect all of their ID, okay, and send me, on a different Excel sheet. So each and every issue that you have, you can put them on an Excel sheet on a different category, and I'll take care of it as soon as possible. Okay. And the 12, how does MT4 trading distribute to the utility of Bucks coin and its growth?
Okay, just a minute, sir. Bhavesh, sir, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Explain how does many clients. Okay, how does MT4 trading contributes to utility for Buckscoin and its growth? Look, basically what we are going to promote is the Buckscoin is basically we have decided to we are planning to somehow people will accept this as a payment gateway for FX industry, because we know in many Eastern Asia or the African countries where the FX is not allowed and the remittance cost is high. So when the Moyo will promote, when our MT4 will get promote more, so what will be happen in coming days and coming years, we are going to accept a Buckscoin 100% payment for the FX. So what will be happen? The remittance will be very less, because once there is a price in the open market for Bucks, so you just come on the platform, deposit the Bucks, take USD, trade, take the benefit, and withdraw. So this is the way when the demand will be increased for the Bucks in the coming market, in the open market. So definitely the price will go up and is going to benefit for the investor of the Bucks community.
Also, if you look at the market, okay, only the African market per day is a $189 billion transaction is there. Okay, so 189 billion is a very big amount. Okay, now in this 189 billion, when money needs to be moved here and there. So in order to move the money, what the remittance company, what they do, they charge 2%, 3%, 4%, depends upon the individual region. Okay. So when you have to move around the money, and if you're going to lose 2%, 3%, and when is every day close to $200 billion is being moved around, that's a big loss, big loss. Now, that is where we come into the picture. Okay. Through us, it's only 0.5%. So when they do realize that, okay, there is a Moyo platform is out there and they are only charging 0.5%, not 1%, 2%, or 3%. So those who are moving the money here and there, and if I am the, the agent and I'm losing millions of dollars on a $1 billion trade, okay, where versus on a Moyo, I will save millions of dollars on the same trade. So definitely I will come onto the board, okay. And the beauty here is, so we have the control, okay, the supply and demand. We all know if there is a demand, it's created in a market, the value definitely goes up. If there is no demand created in the market, it has a zero value. Okay. So once we create a demand, okay, the value of Bucks will keep on going up, and up, right? So that is what we had mentioned to you yesterday, that from coming days, September onward, slowly, we will be releasing all of your Bucks. Whoever is holding a Bucks, there will be a limit to it, and we will release them. So right now, what we have done on a Moyo, that's the reason we have done 80-20 ratio. So you can bring the client into the Moyo and use your 20% Bucks. So that's also one way of you earning the income through your Bucks also, right? So when more client outside community, not us, more outside community comes on to a Moyo platform, okay, the more Bucks they will need in order to come in. as Anuj explained to you, only way they can come onto the Moyo is through La token, B2B or X-Rate, right? So first they need to go onto the exchange, they need to purchase a bucks from there, and only then they can come onto the Moyo. So if I'm the trader, and if I'm go onto the La token or B2B or X-Rate, whatever, and let's say that today I came in and it's $1.14, right? And I'm doing my trade. Now 1 week, 2 week, 3 week after, when I see the value of bucks from $1.14, it went to $1.20 or $1.22. That means I'm also earning profit onto exchange, as well as because the value of bucks is going up, I'm also making a profit there. So these client, what they will do, they will hold on to their bucks. They will only withdraw enough amount that they need to pay to their clients. Rest of their profit, they will hold on to it, and they will buy more bucks. More they hold, more they buy, more we will be able to sell, right? So this is how the usability will create. But yes, nothing can happen overnight, right? This will take time, and the bigger the community, the faster the growth that will happen in the company. Yeah, Anuj, go ahead. Anuj?
Yeah. So next
Yeah.
question is, people are not able to process their KYC on the Cash Phoenix, right? Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, definitely we have some technical issues because of that. Cash Phoenix is not functioning as of now. But very soon, definitely it will take a time, because now our main focus is Moyo, because we are going to introduce Moyo as a utility for the bucks. The company is having set some priorities nowadays. Our first priority is Moyo first. Then we have to launch our blockchain wallet, then Binance. And once we complete all these tasks, then we'll go to the Cash Phoenix. And definitely we will try to sort out these issues as soon as possible.
Right.
Okay.
So let's open up a forum, Anuj. See if someone has any more question than this. Someone had a question. I had linked my Cash Phoenix MT4 account to Moyo account, and it gave me a live account, and it transferred my account balance. Is it valid? Anuj?
Yeah.
Yeah. Unmute everybody for a minute.
Everyone?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, everybody. But please, everyone, make sure there is not much background. Okay. Unmute everybody. Hello? Nuj.
That's the problem. People are allowed to unmute, so they can unmute and ask the question.
Hello.
If anybody having any question, please unmute yourself and ask the question.
What I
Yes,
have
my
not
question.
understood so far, What I have not understood this far is the link between BitSoLive platform, the Cashfinex, the Moyo, and the MT4.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, please repeat. Yeah, Ili, please.
I have not understood the link between BitSoLive platform, the Cashfinex, and the Moyo.
Okay. There is no link between Cashfinex and the Moyo. We have a link only with a BitSoLive and a Moyo. The BitSoLive, why BitSoLive? Because somehow we want our traders, those who have worked for a Bucks community, they should get benefit. So we allow them to open an MT4 account through BitSoLive 0.20. And on BitSoLive 0.20, we have created a separate tree for them where they can check their income status, their whatever the profits they are generating and everything. Because Moyo is a social trading platform, and you guys are investing in BitSoLive 0.2 in MT4. So we are allowing our people or community to come on Moyo and take the advantage of social trading firm. That's the reason we allow them to link your MT4 account with a Moyo, so that you get an opportunity to follow traders worldwide and get profit out of it. Because see, this is a bridge. Because Moyo is a social trading platform where if you are not a trader, you are just an investor. We are giving opportunity to our investors to come, find some good trader, allow them, follow, copy their trades and make money out of it. So this is just a link between investors and the traders. If you talk about the BitSoLive, because you are in the BitSo community, you have worked for BitSoLive earlier, you have invested, you are a leader for the BitSoLive community. So companies allowing you to redeem 20% coin. That's it.
And then what happened to our balances which were in BitSoLives?
Sorry?
BitSoLives, the last time I checked, I had some things. I don't know where they went.
It's in your account. Just go to your profile. In profile, we have given a new option that is called wallet. Whatever the coin you had, it's a safe that is in the wallet as well. Plus whatever the cash euro, whatever the other like euros and bonus euros you had in your account, that we have converted into the bucks and we have deposited in your bucks escrow account. So once
Is there anything I can do with it?
Moses, can you mute your mic, please?
Gabriel. Is there anything I can do with those bucks coins or euros which are there?
Yeah, that's euros has been converted into bucks coin.
What can I do with it?
We're talking about bucks, or you're talking about euros?
Bucks coins.
You're talking about bucks coin?
Yes.
Yeah, you can introduce more people into the system and you can redeem, or else you can wait for some time.
Okay.
Hello?
I can hear you. So the earnings we used to earn per day, what do you do with them? You stopped giving.
Oh, goodness.
Sorry, hello?
You used to give earnings per day when we started. Does that still exist?
It still exists here. Actually, you can see your bucks coin in your profile. Just go to profile. In profile, there's an option called wallet.
Okay.
If you check whatever the coins you had earlier, you will find there.
Okay.
Yeah. Just go to profile. In profile, we have a wallet option. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions, please?
Hello. Yeah, I have a question. Hello, everyone. Okay, my question is the coins we have in escrow in BitSoLives, when will they be released?
Okay, escrow?
Yes.
Whatever the coin you have in escrow, it's getting released on a daily basis to your tradable account. As of now, we are working on BitSoLive 0.2, so definitely it's not functioning as of now. But definitely within the next 10 to 15 days, we are going to we are allow again whatever the contract you had according to it, all your escrow coin will get released to your tradable account.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
As a leader, if I don't want to use my coins, am I allowed to use a full amount? Just pay straight away for an account?
For Moyo account?
No, BitSolives, MT4. If I don't want to
No,
use
you cannot.
20%.
You are not allowed to use your full coin. Definitely, you are only allowed to use only 20% of your coin. If you're buying a pack of 200, you need to pay only 160. You can redeem 20% of your coin.
So I can't use 100% BTC.
Yeah, you can't use 100% as of now. Yeah. Anyone else? Any other queries? Any other concern?
Hello.
Yeah, we are Joseph.
Yeah, can one still access the account via www.bitsolives.com?
So you are not able. Sorry, you are not able to access, or you're getting some error.
Yeah, I'm not able to. I cannot get the option to log into the account.
Okay, so just share your ID so that we'll check it. What is the reason behind it? Why you are not able to access your account? So that we'll check and definitely update you. We'll fix it. Don't worry.
That'll be good. Okay. And probably you can also share the link that members can use to access that.
Definitely, I can share the link. What link you are looking for exactly? So.
Yeah, so that I can access the BitSolives account. Basically,
okay,
there are quite a number of accounts that I represent.
Okay, done. Okay, I'm giving you the link in the public. So just give me a minute.
So, in short, you are telling us the bucks in our BitSolive accounts, if we are not networkers, they are useless. Or what do you mean?
No, it's not useless. Definitely, it's not useless, ma'am. If you are not ever an investor, just you need to wait for some time, because see, as in the last webinar, we have explained the roadmap of the company, what company is planning and what company is doing up. So definitely in coming few months, we are going to allow them to go on the outer exchange and sell their whatever the box coin they have in their wallet as of now, they can sell it and take the benefit of it. But definitely you have to wait for some few months.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, please.
In the old setup of MT4 packages, we have contracts, expiry dates.
Okay.
I hope they don't apply to the new MT4 packages.
Yeah, definitely. No, you just Moses just share the list, as Bhavesh sir has already told you. Just share the list. We will check what balance you have as of now, and then definitely we'll come back to you what you can do.
Now, what I'm saying is the new packages that have come. I hope they don't have an expiry period.
No, there is no
expiry period. Yeah.
There is no expiry, Moses.
Yeah.
Then at what point do people have the choice to withdraw their principal amount?
Okay, so there is when you sign up onto MT4, new MT4 account, okay, there is a term and condition is there. And once you fulfill that term and condition, you can withdraw your 100% principal amount at any given time. Okay, so minimum trade is 40 trade that they need to do in order to withdraw. Okay. Now 40 trade can be done in 2 to 3 days.
Okay. I have one question. Like, I think I'm somehow confused. As you say, there's a new MT4 packages. I opened my MT4 package since last year. Is it possible for me to use the old one, or I have to open a new one?
No, you cannot use the old one, but if you have a balance in your old one, let's say you have a $50, $100, $1,000, whatever you have, we will give you a credit to you onto the new MT4.
Okay. My old one, I've already linked my old one to Moyo, and it's the one I'm using right now. So right now, I'm using the old one on Moyo. So, and I've already brought some people on board. I don't know what I'm going to do about that.
Actually, I missed the questions. Please repeat.
So his question.
The old package I had is the one I've linked to. I've already signed some people under it like 5 days back.
So his voice is not clear to me.
Okay.
Are you getting it, Bhavesha?
No, it's the voice is breaking up.
Yeah, dear, we are not getting your voice. So could you please come on our network?
Okay, hello. Are you getting me now?
Yeah. Please tell me.
Okay, my question is, as you said, there's a new MT4 packages. So my MT4 package, I opened it last year. And right now, as I talk, I'm using the old package. I've already linked it to Moyo. And I've so far put in some people last, like, I think 5 days back. So what happened? Because he said we can't trade with the old package. So you want me to open a new package whereby I've already linked the old package to Moyo and I'm using it right now with the people already under it. So what's going to happen there?
Have you opened account in MT4 earlier or Moyo?
No, MT4 earlier. I opened my MT4 package in 2019. I think around October.
Okay.
So that's the old one, right?
Okay. So Mohammed, just do one thing. Share your ID. We'll check it and we'll let you know the status of your account, and then definitely we'll come back to you.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyone else? Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, please,
Alex, please.
I really want to, yes, please. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm good. Alex, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for the presentation and thank you for carrying us along. I have a concern and I would like to get an answer. Sometime between November and December 2019.
Okay.
The MT4 accounts that we are trading on box pairs, all trade on Boxcoin and other crypto pairs were disconnected by company because they were doing some integration.
Okay.
Fortunately, unfortunately, when when the system came back to life, every of those MT4 accounts was wiped to zero.
Okay.
And we had the knowledge that if there's going to be any work going on cash finish or integration there will be a backup. But till today, those accounts are dead. So what is responsible?
Alex, I got your concern. So definitely, in this scenario, the company is the concern. But as you said earlier, so whatever the previous issue we having with old MT4 accounts, definitely you just make a list with us and share with us. So we'll go one by one. We'll check what is the status of that account, and definitely we'll update you and the Moses as well.
It's okay. Whatever Moses, all the things Moses are doing is because we didn't want to bombard questions. It is a collective question that we really, this was an incident because some of the accounts that we are trading between Box and some other crypto pairs, when the system was disconnected, everybody was standstill, and eventually the account all went to zero when the system came back to life.
Sorry, Alex.
Well, I think I will give you proper detail of what I'm saying. What I'm saying in nutshell that there was a time trading on cash finish with Box and other crypto pairs were stopped because of some certain upgrade and integration by companies.
The shape of the boat was slowly being revealed.
Then,
This excavation had started
when this came back, when the platform came back, all the accounts that were trading were wiped out.
All we had was a Jeep, a few buckets, and a few
Yeah, you make a list. You make a list and share it with us. We'll check and we'll update you. Okay.
It's okay.
could hardly hold his own weight.
Any other question?
Everything was mission impossible, and that's why those we
okay for now.
many shipwrecks.
Okay, so thank you everybody. It was nice, talking to all of you. And very soon we will do one more webinar where we will pick, we'll do a topic, individual topic, and we'll explain to you everything in more detail. Link between Moyo and BitSolive, how to create account on a Moyo. So each and every topic we will do it separate. Thank you, Moses, for organizing today's webinar as well.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and have a great day and be safe.
Have a great day too. Thank you for putting in time.
Not a problem. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye everyone.
Okay, bye.